Today we will discuss about one of the most important biomolecule, that is lipids. Lipids. In nature there are four biomolecules are there. One is carbohydrates, proteins, third one is lipids, fourth one is nucleic acids. These four are important biomolecules in nature. These are important biomolecules. Today we will discuss the one of the important biomolecule is lipids. Lipids are organic compounds and biologically origin origin. The lipids are sparingly soluble in water, insoluble or lipids are insoluble or sparingly soluble in water. And completely soluble in organic solvents. Organic solvents. Like ether, acetone, and benzene. The lipids are insoluble or sparingly soluble in water and completely soluble in organic solvents like ether, acetone, and benzene. The classification of Before going to the classification, complete detailed classification of lipids, here we need to understand some important points of lipids. Lipids are amphipathic, and non-polar. Amphipathic Amphipathic means hydrophilic nature and hydrophobic nature is called amphipathic. Hydrophilic and hydrophobic. What is hydrophilic? Water attracting nature of water. Water loving. Or it is hydrophobic, water repelling. Non-polar. What is non-polar? The partial distribution of electrons no partial distribution of electrons. No partial distribution of electrons. To form partial positive charge, partial positive charge on one side and partial negative charge on another side. This is called amphipathic and non-polar. Now we will classify the lipids into three different types. Lipids are, we'll see the classification of lipids. Lipids classification. Lipids are classified into three different types. Simple lipids, one is simple lipids are homolipids. Simple lipids are also called as homolipids. Second, compound lipids. Are also called as heterolipids. The third one is derived lipids. One is simple lipids, second one is compound lipids, third one is derived lipids. Again, simple lipids are classified into two types. Fats and oils. Second one is waxes. Fats and oils. Second one is waxes. The examples for fats and oils are simple triglycerides, and mixed triglycerides. Examples. These are examples for fats and oils: simple triglycerides and mixed triglycerides. Again, examples for waxes: sperm whale waxes, honeybee waxes, waxes. Third one is cannabis waxes. Here we are, once again I will explain. Here we are studying Lipid classification. Lipids are classified into three different types based on their nature: simple lipids or homolipids, compound lipids or heterolipids. Third one is derived lipids. In simple lipids, again classified into two types: fats and oils. Second one is waxes. Fats and oils examples: simple triglycerides and mixed triglycerides. Waxes: sperm whale waxes, honeybee waxes, Cobarnabas waxes. Again, the compound lipids are classified into four types: phospholipids, 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 in phospholipids, again these phospholipids are classified into phosphoglycerides. Examples for phospholipids: phosphoglycerides, lecithin, cephalin, plasmalogens. Compound lipids are heterolipids are three types. One is phospholipids. In examples for phospholipids: phosphoglycerides, lecithin, cephalin, plasmalogens, and phosphoinositides. Second one is phosphoinositides. Third one is phosphosphingosins. Phosphosphingosins. Again, derived lipids are classified into three types: steroids, derived lipids are classified into steroids, terpenes, third one is steroid, terpenes and carotenoids. Steroids. Again, Examples for steroids: cholesterol, ergosterol, and terpenoids. Actually, these steroids are C18, C19 and C21 steroids. And C24 steroids, C24, C26 steroids. Terpenes are examples for terpenes are monoterpene, sesquiterpene, diterpene, triterpene, tetraterpene, and polyterpene. Carotenoids, these are derived lipids. Once again I will explain. Derived lipids are three types: steroids, terpenes and carotenoids. Steroids example: cholesterol, ergosterol, C18, C19, C21 and C24, C26, C here 27, 28, 29, C27, C28, C29 steroids. The last one is carotenoids. Carotenoids are lycopenes, carotenoids are lycopenes, keratin, xanthophylls. xanthophylls. This is complete classification of lipids. Once again I will explain the classification of lipids. Lipids are classified into simple lipids or homolipids. Lipids are classified into three types. One is simple lipids, second one is compound lipids, third one is derived lipids. The first one, simple lipids. Simple lipids are also called as homolipids. These homolipids or simple lipids are again classified into two types, fats and oils. Second one is waxes.